Now, very quick for puts, we said that the payoff follows this relationship. When your stop price is below the strike, you get paid. If it's above, you don't get paid. So your profit is going to be the max of the strike minus the stock. This is what you get paid. And your profit is going to be what you get paid minus the cost. And so if you plot the relationship between the put price and the stock price, just like what we did for calls, when here you're very deep out of the money, the value is 0. Let's do it in green. And when you're close, when your stock price is very deep in the money, very far away from the strike, it's going to be linear. And here you can see that the slope is -1 because it's -1 times S. And in between, just like before, we said it's a max, it's linear, everything, so it looks like that. And so your delta, the sensitivity of your put price with respect to the stock price, if you plot it against the stock price, you see that here is the partial derivative of this curve, so it's the slope of the tangent, so it's like the slope of this line. Here it's -1, the slope. So actually it should start below. Let's say here it's -1. It starts like this. Here the slope is 0. Here it's 0. And in between, here, you see that here it doesn't move much. It's like this, and then boom, here it starts moving faster. And then close to 0, it doesn't move much. And so it looks like that. And here you have your strike. And the gamma, let's do it very quick. It's going to take a second. The gamma is just like what we did for calls. Is the second derivative of your put price with respect to your stock price. Is the derivative of your delta with respect to your stock price. So it's basically the derivative is the slope of the tangents to this curve. So here it's like 0, 0. Here it starts being like this. Tac, tac, tac. It increases fast, and then again close to 0. So if you plot it, if you plot your gamma, it's going to be the same. Here 0, here 0, and here it increases, and the max is reached close to the strike. All right, that's done very quick. The next video is going to be more interesting.